Namaste and welcome to Minderly Yoga. My name is Ryan. I have got a power flow yoga practice for you today. Before we start the practice, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel Minderly Yoga, as your support provides me the motivation to continue doing what I'm doing and share my love of yoga with the rest of the world. So let's get started. We're going to start in child's pose today. So come into all fours. Come onto your hands and your knees. Bring your wrists below your shoulders and your knees below your hips. From here, we'll bring our big toes to touch and take our knees as wide as the mat. Sink your hips towards your heels and begin to fold forward as you walk your hands forward. Let the forehead arrive on the mat. Now notice the texture of the mat against your fingertips. Notice the texture of your mat against the tops of your feet, as well as the other exposed parts of the body. Soften through your shoulders, and then your elbows, wrists, palms, and your fingers. And now finding connection with your breath. Notice your inhales and exhales. And observing the breath without judgment, without a desire to change it in any way. Let's take 3 more deep, slow breaths. Now gently lift your forehead off the mat and begin to ripple forward. Shifting the weight onto your palms, the shoulders go past your wrists and begin to lower the pelvis towards the earth. Now wiggle the feet slightly towards the back and lower your forearms onto the ground, coming into Sphinx pose. Once we arrive here, drawing the shoulders away from the ears and pressing the tops of the feet into the mat. Let the pubic bone sink into the mat. Hold here for 1 more breath, please. Now begin to slide your hands next to your upper ribs. Forehead touches the mat. We're going to tuck our toes and go into a full plank. So pushing up. Once we arrive in plank, gaze to the top edge of the mat. Draw the ribs and the lower belly in. Engage your glutes and press the heels towards the back of the room. Very important to keep breathing in plank. If you're holding here without breathing, when you're holding your breath, it's going to be extremely hard to be in plank pose. So 1 more breath here. From plank pose, we will transition to a side plank. So move your right hand slightly inside and turn the left foot to stack it on top of the right. Now your left hand can reach towards the ceiling, push the left hip up and pull the pelvic floor up. Embrace the wobbles like I am doing right now. 1 more breath here. Go back into plank pose. And we're going to do the same thing. Replicate side plank on the other side, Vasishthasana. Bring your left hand in a little bit and turn around, placing the right foot on top of the left. Push the right hip towards the ceiling and pull the pelvic floor up. One more breath here. Transition back to a high plank and then begin to lower your knees to the mat. We're going to achieve a flat back. So wrists below the shoulders, knees below the hips. Few rounds of cat-cow here. On the inhale, lower the belly towards the ground. On the exhale, round the upper back. With the inhale, shine your heart open, lift the tailbone. With the exhale, tuck the chin into the chest. Just a few more rounds here like this as we go through our cat-cow movements. One more round. And then finding stillness. Let's pick up the left leg and extend it towards the back of the room. Not to worry about the height of the leg. Make sure the hip is square and the toes are pointing to the floor. Shift the weight onto the left hand. Extend the right hand towards the front. Right bicep next to the right ear. Right palm faces the left side. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, extend again. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, extend. This time on the exhale, bend the left knee, grab hold of the left foot with the right hand. Look towards the right side as you yawn the right shoulder open. One breath here. Now extend the arm and the leg. Come back to all fours. One round of cat-cow. On the inhale, lower the belly towards the ground. On the exhale, tuck the chin into the chest. Finding a flat back. Let's extend the right leg towards the back of the room. Hips square, toes point to the earth. Left hand to the front. Gaze down on the mat. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, extend again. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Come into an extension. Then bend the left knee, grab hold of the left foot with the right hand. Yawn open the left shoulder, look towards the left hand side. One more breath here. Let's transition into an extension again and come back to all fours. Walk your hands half a palm length forward. Press your finger knuckles into the mat. Spread your fingers wide. Tuck your toes and transition to downward facing dog. So in down dog, if the heels don't reach the floor, invitation to bring a bend into your knees and then push your chest towards your thighs. And then lower the heels as much as you can towards the earth. Slowly walk your feet all the way towards your hands. Come into a forward fold. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, rise up, reach up as you press through the feet. On the exhale, hands to heart center as you fold all the way down. Inhale, flat back, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Let's step the right foot back, followed by the left foot. Arrive in a high plank. Slowly shift your weight forward as you bend the elbows into low plank, chaturanga. From here, go into upward facing dog or cobra pose. And then meet me in a downward facing dog. One more breath here. Let's do that one more time. Let's walk our feet all the way towards our hands. Come into a forward fold. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to rise. Hands go towards the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center as we fold all the way down. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale to fold. This time, step the left foot back, followed by the right foot. And then let's take our vinyasa flow here. Chaturanga, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg to the sky. On the exhale, step the foot through between your hands. Lower the back knee down and then untuck the toes. Allow the hands to sweep to the sky as you come into low lunge. Right knee above the right ankle as you lift and reach your hands towards the ceiling. Press the top of the left foot into the mat. And sometimes the right knee goes past the ankle. Not to worry, that's okay. That means you just have open inner thighs and that's fine. Let's go into half monkey from here. Fingertips frame the right foot. Extend the right leg. Stack the left hip above the left knee. If the hands don't reach the floor, not to worry. You can sweep the hands to the back of the room and lower your forehead towards your shin. If your hands reach the ground, place them on the ground and flex the toes towards your face. One more breath here. Let's return to a three-legged dog. Right foot on the mat, right leg all the way towards the sky. Inhale to fill up. Exhale, right knee to the right elbow. Inhale, kick the leg back up again. Exhale, right knee to the right elbow. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, kick the leg up to the sky. Exhale, right knee to the right elbow. Kick the leg back up again. And then return the right foot down into downward facing dog. Let's rest here for 2 breaths before we start on the other side. One more. Inhale, left leg to the sky. On the exhale, step the foot through between your hands. Lower the back knee down and untuck the toes. Hands reach up towards the ceiling as we arrive in low lunge. Biceps frame the ears, palms face each other. Lift and reach with your fingertips, engaging the core. Find your drishti, your gaze. Beginning now to place the fingertips down onto the mat to frame the left foot and then straightening the left leg, stacking the right hip above the right knee. Reminder, if the hands don't reach the floor, sweep the hands to the back. Otherwise, hands on the ground, flexing the toes towards your face. Maybe your fingertips, maybe the entire palm. Both are okay. Let's transition to three-legged dog. So return the left foot to the mat, please, and kick the left leg to the sky. Arrive in a three-legged dog. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, extend again. And then exhale, elbow to the knee. Return the left leg to the sky and then place it down on the mat. Rest here for a couple of breaths in down dog. Bring awareness to your right leg, not right hand. Let's lift the right leg towards the sky on the inhale. On the exhale, step the foot through between your hands. Now we're going to spin that back foot towards the left side into a 90-degree angle and slowly come up into warrior two. Right knee above the right ankle, gaze straight ahead. Allow the tailbone to descend towards the floor. One more breath here. Bring your hands to heart center on the inhale, look to the left side. On the exhale, side lunge, open the left toes and go into your skandasana pose. The right toes pointing to the ceiling. So if you're rolling forward, can you try and open them? And then draw your shoulders away from the ears. By the way, if you need extra support, you can always place your hands onto the mat or the ground. We're going to transition to a twist with or without hands. All toes face the front, left hand down, right hand to the sky. Spread the fingers wide on the top hand. Maybe look towards your right thumb. Now lift the back of the left knee and the back of the left thigh. One more breath here. Return the right hand down. We're going to go into three-legged dog. Right leg all the way towards the sky. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, right knee to the right elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, right knee to the right elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog again. Exhale, right knee to the right elbow. Inhale, take the leg back to the sky. Exhale, return the right foot down. Rest here for a couple of breaths. Inhale, left leg to the sky. Exhale, step the foot through between your hands. Right foot goes at 90 degrees as we slowly come up into Warrior Two. Gaze straight ahead as if you're looking far away into the distance. Press to all four corners of both feet into the mat. One more breath here. Hands to heart center on the inhale, look to your right side. On the exhale, go into side lunge. Left heel into the mat, left toes to the sky. Draw the shoulders away from the ears. And again, reminder to use your hands for support if you need to. With or without hands, we're going to go into a twist as we turn all toes towards the front. Right hand to the earth, left hand towards the heavens. Spread the fingers wide on the top hand. Look at your left thumb maybe, and then lift the back of the right knee and the right thigh, straightening that back leg. Notice the strength of the back leg. Return the left hand down and the left leg all the way towards the sky. Inhale, fill up. Exhale, left knee to the left elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, left knee to the left elbow. Or close enough is good enough. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to the elbow. Come into an extension again. And then return the left foot to the mat. From here, ripple forward to a plank. Lower the knees to the mat. Cross your legs and take a seat as you extend your legs towards the front. Once you're here, preparing for boat pose. So with boat pose, feet are together. We're going to place the knees, heels on the mat, and the knees rise towards the sky. Hands go behind your knees to begin with, and then slowly lifting the legs up. Bring them parallel in line with the floor. This is your first option. You're welcome to bring the left hand forward, palm faces the sky, and the right hand forward, palm faces the sky. Draw the shoulders away from the ears and embrace the wobbles. We're going to hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, one more, and return the heels to the mat. Extend the legs towards the front of the room. Keeping our feet together and our toes pointing towards the sky. On the inhale, lift and reach with your hands towards the ceiling. With the exhale, begin to fold forward. Hands wrap around the outer edges of your feet, and then using every progressive exhale to fold deeper and soften into the pose. Now slowly straighten the spine and make your way into a comfortable seat. Place your hands around your knees or your shin or ankles and close your eyes. Consciously beginning to slow down your breath. Attention placed at the tips of your nostrils. Another 3 breaths here. 2. One more. Bring the hands together, palms touch. Press the thumbs into the sternum. One soft inhale, one soft exhale. Bring the thumbs to the right center, to your lips, and to your heart. From my heart to yours, namaste. Thank you very much for joining me for today's practice. Wherever you're in the world, have a great morning, amazing afternoon, or an awesome evening. I will see you soon on the mat. Namaste.